Hello everyone. Today's video is about neural network toolbox. This toolbox helps to predict our input data or our predicted values. We need to take our input data as well as our target data to predict the values. Before predicting the values, we need to import our data to the workspace. For that, we need to create a variable. I will create a variable in the workspace as an input, and I will create other variable as a target. My data is in Excel sheet. This is my data, what I selected. I will copy this. When I copy, go to the MATLAB again, double click on the input, paste it here. After this, right click on the data, transpose a variable. Means the data is converted from columns to rows in the matrix form. Now close it. Again go for your target data, copy it, move to your workspace target, double click on it, and now again paste it. Now again do same thing, right click on it and go for transpose variables, now columns to rows. Cancel it now. Again create a new variable in a workspace as a sample to create for a machine to understand the input data. So go for input, double click, the data has been opened now. Select any of the columns, means the first column you can select this, or you can select this, or you can select many columns. I will select from 1 to 10 columns. I will select. Control C, cancel it, and paste it in the sample variable as a name rate, and paste it here. Now again cancel this. Now all the data what we want to predict has been imported into the workspace. Go for command window, type neural network tool, means NN2. Doing this, go to the import, set the variable as input, select input data and select import. Now all the variables as the input are imported to the import data of data manager. Now click OK. Again do same thing, go to sample, input data and import. Now the sample variables are being imported to input data to the data manager. Be OK. Again go for target and go for target data and click on import. The target variables are being imported to the data manager. Go, be OK. Then now close it. In the NN tool, go for new. In this, you can name your network as a network 1. By default, it has taken as a network 1. You can name anything as you want. Go for network type. By default, the tool takes the feed forward backcrop because its accuracy is more and takes less memory for prediction. So, I have chosen that only, feed forward backcrop. And go for input data, select input as an input. And go for target data, select target. We can take properties as a layer 2 and transfer function as a pure lane, or you can take transing or logsig, but pure lane is good for accuracy, so I've chosen that. Now go for click on create. Now network 1 added to data manager. Go view OK. Now close this window. The network 1 added to your toolbox. Double click on network 1. A small pop-up window has been appeared at the topmost of the screen. Go for train. Before that, view. There is a view that you can come to know about your Simulink diagram, which has been taken from the MATLAB Simulink. It is automatically generated by the software. By this, you can understand how many hidden layers are there, how many number of outputs, and the last output, how many presents in your input data. Now go for train, select input, inputs, training data, and go for target, select your target. Now train a network. By training the network, it shows that data division is random, training is Levenberg market, performance is mean squared error. This is the algorithm which is been used in the now toolbox. Iterations are 2 out of 1000 and it has taken no time for this. By clicking on the plot, performance score has been opened. By this, you can analyze your data, how the validation has been taken. Now I will close it. Again, I will train my data. As your data trains, your accuracy increases. Go for regression. Now, see, training, validation and test all are equal to 1, means our accuracy is high and prediction is very good. Now, cancel this. Minimize. In training parameters, don't change anything, it is taken as a default, and go for simulate. In simulation data, go for inputs, go for sample, and for output simulation result take as a prediction values. Prediction, don't give any space, and simulate the network. The network has been simulated and results stored in the data manager. Give OK. And after doing this, go for an untold prediction values. What you have saved as it has been displayed on the output data. Double click on prediction values. Small pop-up window has been appeared at the topmost of the screen. These are my predicted values from my input as well as target. And if I want to import this file or these values to my drives or any hard disk, so close this now and go for export. Now select all. If you want to export to workspace, click on export. If you want to directly save to your files on a drive, just click on the save. But I want to save as in my workspace, so I will give export. All the variables has been exported to a workspace. OK. Now close this and go for your workspace and click on your prediction values. The data has been occurred here, and select this. Transfer the variable from rows to columns. These are my predicted values. Like this, we can predict the data in the neural network toolbox. This neural network toolbox has been implemented in MATLAB from 2010B. It is very simple to use. There is no coding is required, but to get accuracy and good predicted values, you need to train again and again your sample so that you get good results. This is my predicted values, and by this you can conclude that by training and by using your target data, by creating a workspace, by using an tool, it is very easy for predicted values when compared to other software. I hope you have understood this.